Hello everybody and welcome to another horror game by Number 15 Tails. What's this name called? I forgot. Hold on, let me go check. Oh shoot, I can't check. Forest of Drizzling Rain. Yeah, that's what it's called. Another RPG horror game. The question is, will this one have a good ending or a bad ending? Let's find out. Because I don't know either. This is going to be blind, so yeah. I don't know what any of this means. I moved with the number keys. Oh. Arrows. 2, 4, 6, 8. Number pad. Dash, shift, cancel, X, window, end game forcibly, alt 4, reset game F12 settings. I heard of the death of my parents on a day of terrible rain. It was a traffic accident. Hearing this sudden sad news in a rush, I hurried to the hospital, but it was already too late. In the end, I was not able to see the dead, my mother and father. The funeral was, as they wanted, performed in private. Both my parents cut ties with all other relatives and kin while I was little, and nobody was called to the funeral. It was a very quiet funeral. Just for me, who lost my parents, I keenly felt my lack of relatives, and so I think I felt a little lonely. The day my father and mother died was strangely enough on my birthday. I think that in order to congratulate me, who has barely just gone to university, my parents were high in spirits unlike usual. The present to me that was within the smashed car was what indicated that. I fell asleep. Alright, let's clean up just a little more. I don't know what's going on. Cremation, burial, permission, issuance, request form. Death certificate, post-mortem certificate, final declaration. This game's weird. I don't get it. What's going on? Inheritance tax declaration. I need to return the papers to the shelf. I can walk on a chair. Josh! Full of black tea, but it's already cold. Oh. Okay. Put it on the shelf. Put it on the shelf. When I touched the shelf, a small key-like object came out. Obtained small key. Now what? If I don't clean up a little more. Okay, fine. So how do I put it in the shelf? Was it that shelf or was it this shelf? Is it none of those shelves? A locked album. Seems like it could be opened with the key in hand. Open. Photographs reminiscent of the past inside. I can't move. Oh. As if one part of the album seems to have omitted, there are some blank pages in between. The times when I was little have somehow been left out. The clock. I can move. The clock seems to have stopped due to its complex construction. It doesn't seem like she can fix it. For now, let's try fixing it. What? No, I just said you can't fix it. Perhaps it's okay like this. Let's fasten the doors and rest for today. Okay. Ah! Was I supposed to do that? Yeah, I was supposed to do that, I guess. The door is firmly locked. So what, should I just go now? Go to a different room, I guess? This one, maybe? Need to confirm the doors are locked. Shoot. No, that's not how you do it. I can't get out! Okay, there we go. This is weird. I never played an RPG horror blind. An unfilled bathtub. Are you serious? What doors am I supposed to check that are locked? Door is firmly locked. It is firmly locked. Huh? A splendid cake here, but somehow a feeling of hurt starts. If I don't clean it up by tomorrow. All stuff that I like. Perhaps these were lovely before this cooking is already starting to get rotten. The refrigerator is empty. It's as if these ingredients that have just been cut down are stopping the flow of time in this home. In this home. Not his home. Firmly locked. I guess I go now. Let's go. I don't know, I feel scared. Should I feel scared? I feel scared. I'm tired. Let's sleep already. I feel scared. I feel something's gonna happen. Suddenly alone. There's nobody that knew me since I was little. And there's nobody from back then who knew my father and mother. It was terribly lonely. What? Is that rain? Come, 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 come. My cute, cute child. Quick, quick, come out here. The promise. Come to fulfill your promise. For the promise you guys split into two. Only the time and the flick I will be forgiven. Only now, only now. And so when the day comes, come, come, my cute, cute child. Please give it all to me. I won't allow you to escape. I won't allow it. I won't allow it. That's weird. So cloudy, not a single star can be seen even now. It seems like tonight the sky might cry. Oh, this is how I save. That sounds like an if item. Or like an if item, like an if sound effect. Manga and magazines are here. Books from high school are here. Wow, all dusty. If I don't dust it this time. Let's go. I feel scared. Where should I go? Okay, what do I do? I don't know what to do. A Western style toilet. Well, we're gonna have to end it off here, I guess. It's already about to be 10 minutes. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed the... I forget what this game is called again. God damn it, I gotta remember. Heavy Rain or something, I don't know. I'll say in the next part. Anyway, I'll say it in the next part, the name of this game, because right now I don't remember. So hope you enjoyed. Leave a like or subscribe, whichever one fits your drift. And I'll see you all in the next part of this game. Bye.